People, I saw Jamaica this. When you know say from what they are be a thing I go on YouTube, you see me? When you switch bar pretty done. This is where vlogging goes wrong completely left. When you go violate the priest, the high priest, Sizzla Kolanji, the bubble where everybody respect. Mama, you get yourself in one of them thing the way. You hard pan you right now. We see mama forward and a ball. Ling ling the pan line a ball people I say, yo, Sizzla want dash your mother and thing. I remember say Sizzla say black woman and child. No such thing. People no fall for that something there. When you don't know the things that I saw Jamaica this Make sure so you smash your like and subscribe. Drop on a comment in the people, you see me? When you know say Sizzla now go after her parents. As Sizzla say black woman and child. You see me? Right now, this should be a lesson to a lot of people. You see me? Sometimes when you do your job, you have to do your job professional. You see me? Don't get the hype and make the hype get to your head and make you go do things where you're not gonna really happy with later. Everybody have them vice, but how you use your vice. You see me? Yeah, man. At the same time, still, we don't have to see nobody parents get hurt, and at the same time, you have to still know who you are this when you are this. I just saw the thing said. It's levels of this. You know what I mean? But when you start tell a person about them parents and up in a thing and you figure chuck off and when you reach certain levels like that, it start get personal. It's one to say a certain thing. But when you start reach to a certain level, it's no turning back from that situation. Basically that. So with that thing that I tell us right now, pretty done in our situation right now where it look like say boy like Prime Minister figure step out and talk for pretty done right now cause everybody I say right now if pretty done forget deep right now and go yard, you know gonna look pretty for pretty done. You understand? But at the same time people have to understand and know say she's like Olanji. Now go do that. You understand? My sister not fall for that. You can guarantee that. Just as Chronicler never show up for the show, right? Or didn't perform, right? It's the same way. You can guarantee, say, Sister Kalanchi now waste him energy and him platform for promote that. Not pan Sizzla timing and brand. You understand? So for people we are running the narrative and the hype, I say, Sizzla Kalanji, I got such person, parents, no such thing. You understand? It's just one of them things there where, cause all know, no one hears Sizzla Kalanji come out and say one thing. You understand? It's just people now have to understand in a case like this. Remember Norris man. You see me? Big up Norris man. You see it? And in a case like that, it's a case where Norris man did have a thing with Sizzla on stage and just the back and forth with the mother business and the bubble them never take that lightly. And that's what caused the thing. You have to remember, the respect where dada have a road in a normal. You understand? So when you get to that level there, people really go through them troubled times in their life. You understand? And that I give them the meditation if you hold on for the last straw where them have in a life. And if you hear a person a tarnish and I put down that a certain way, them not gonna really accept that too. Smiley, you understand? Yeah man, so I just a levels where a person have to know say nobody not perfect. But you have to learn from your mistake. I hope you learn from that one and know say. It's just certain levels you have to go. Just keep it on a level. You know? We don't have to bring the 8 in this. You know, left the hate out of it for a second now in life, brethren. Put the hate aside, cause that side they say them hate that side, and that side they say them hate that side. You know what that is? Just a whole circle of hate. So load the hate and make we live up in our life. You see it? That's all the thing there in our life. Live it. Stop it hate. Too much hate. You see it? Some people that look too old for them age cause them a carry too much hate. It's like a big weight, a heavy burden that let go the hate. You understand? Everybody choose them own path. And when you're gone in a corrupt path, you have to turn down there. You understand? So you have to just understand, say, when you see a man a trod on the righteous path, you can't try if you don't up that, you understand? So you have to stay upon your path and make it righteous, stay righteous and clean. You can't try dirty up your righteous path. You see it? So Jamaica gonna drop on a comment in the comment section right there. So make sure so you smash a like. If you're not new, may I ask you to please subscribe and we could build a channel that don't know the thing said. Struggle is real out here. We could build a platform. Yeah? So right now, people, who don't know better than that. Who know what I go on, no say. That I not do no such thing as go this sister, mother or father. You understand? You have to remember. Dry cry. Black woman and child. Black woman and child. That don't have time for entertain them thing there. You see me? You have to remember, you know, Dada are the man who build museum and them thing there. You know? You understand? So, them thing they are blast. Remember me tell you that. Them thing they are blast. So, people wanna know better. But and everybody know, say, on certain levels, and every artist, I gotta just jump and go do some hype thing. You understand? Sizzla stand for a purpose. You understand? And him a go by that. Him govern by that. The world accept him as that. And him a live as that. You see me? And we have to just let that be and appreciate that and promote that, brother. Yeah, man. That's the reasoning them and people. Big up on yourself. I don't know the thing set. Right now, wanna see a beer drama go on in a dancehall right now. You see, chronic law, people them a say, them rate you, me G. You don't know the thing set a road. So Jamaica man, people, big up on yourself. Hit that, man.